everybody!
Welcome back to Sister Hobbies channel. Today we're opening the L.O.L Boys series. Series 2. We ordered this from Amazon and we always wanted to open it since we already opened some girls. It's time to get unboxing. There's a zipper right here. Pull it down. Angelynn is fingers crossed on
piano player.
And wishing we get BeachBoi. Whoa.
No. Wait, what's the clue?
Okay, let's see. It says it's school spirit. Okay.
Wait, it can't be.
What? When it's fine.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay if we get at least we get one because
It can't be the one that we.
it's okay. BeachBoi is also do you know BeachBoi represents school spirit?
Yeah.
Okay. Open.
Whoa!
Okay. Now we could get one that color changes. Spits, peas, or cries.
You know, I think one of our L.O.Ls would like this one.
Yep, our L.O.Ls will love a new L.O.L.
I can't wait.
Me neither. Wow. Looks like we still have some maybe orange ball, maybe. For a surprise, we may open that after we get to our L.O.L.
It's like, look at its wrapping.
Hey, this is Swaggie.
Look at its wrapping.
I know, orange. Cool.
I think that's the bottle. I feel it. It's like a bottle.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
And by the way, we can't wait, right?
I cannot wait. We have to. Okay. Let's crack this open. Another blind bag.
Crack it!
Oh yeah, this way. Okay, another blind bag. Now let's collect this guy. Let's get open.
You know, I'm hoping for this guy.
Piano player.
Yep.
Yes, BeachBoi! We got BeachBoi. Go. Let's open. Let's open
Wait,
it up.
no.
We got some pretty cool glasses here.
I just really wanted
It's
it.
okay, Angelynn. It's
No,
okay.
can we get another one next year? Tomorrow.
Next time. Maybe not tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Look at this outfit. Okay, I think he wants them to be put on.
By the way, don't forget, he color changes.
Oh yeah, he color changes. Well, let's see what he color changes into later. After.
I wonder what this surprise is. Yeah. This is the open. Oh, here we go. His shoes are adorable. His shoes are adorable.
This is what he looks like in his outfit. Now time to put on these cute white sneakers.
Wait, he has pizza.
Yeah, that's what happens. Oh, now glasses.
We can't wait to see
What he
his
looks
color
like.
change. Actually, this is our third. Actually, this is our third color changer because remember one of the girls' color changes.
Yeah.
Oh, that one is one of my favorites. Actually, it's my own favorite. Okay,
this
all
one.
of them are my favorites.
What he looks like.
Cool. Just put those down there and we'll figure that out. Don't forget that one.
Oh yeah, his name is not BeachBoi. Actually, his name is BroCheer.
And here is his eyes.
Piano play PianoKing.
I really want PianoKing.
It's okay.
No.
You know what? You know what this means? You know what this means, Angelynn?
What?
Time to color change. Maybe. So BeachBoi's gonna color change. We're gonna have to take off his clothes because.
And by the way, this one is warm.
His
This
clothes
one
doesn't
is
color
cold.
change.
Look. Cold. Ugh.
Ow! This is cold and that's warm.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Can't wait to see it. Well, let's try his clothes.
No, it won't happen. Like if I did this, oh my goodness, okay. His clothes will color change. Like, see, in cold water. Nope. Hot. Oh my goodness.
He turned to be blonde.
Yeah, but in cold, tends to have brown hair.
Yes, he looks nice in the brown, I guess. And by the way, you can also wipe off the color change with your hands.
See? Actually, no, it doesn't work on him, I guess. Whoa. I can't believe we got BeachBoi. Cold, brown hair, hot,
I like this guy.
blonde hair. Okay, now I think BeachBoi has enough of swimming.
Wait, what about his spin and everything?
Oh yeah, right. Let's check
This
his
is gonna...
his pants. His pants color changes.
Pink
Shoes color change to be nothing.
to blue.
Okay.
Pink
To blue.
to blue.
Now when
Pink.
okay.
Wait, what if I see it's all pink now? Let's make it.
Okay. Now let's check if he spits or cries or pees or colors. Yeah.
I'm trying to
Okay.
do a coding.
He spits.
Ew.
Spits. What about his bottle? He needs his bottle. Attacky baby.
I don't think he needs it.
But just in case.
Fine.
You know, we have other LLs we can show you if you want.
We'll share them at the end. Now let's make everything of his dry. He's dry over there.
What if
We're gonna put his clothes back on now.
I told you his clothes color change?
Well, I didn't think so.
You thought it was animation.
No, I don't think it's animation.
Okay. Just forget. Okay. So yeah.
Wait, is it?
Glasses. Look at his glasses.
Imagine if LLs were.
Look at it here.
Imagine if LLs were real human people.
Look at their bottles would not be bottles anymore. They'd actually be cups, not bottles.
Can't believe we got BeachBoi. Oh yeah, and look on his shirt if you can see it. There is the word cheer.
Yes, one of his school spirit is cheering.
Yep. And I heard that BroCheer has the most school spirit. Let's see him with his glasses on again.
With his cutie patootie glasses. What?
You're talking baby language again, Angelynn.
What? It's so long that the ice melted.
He can sit here
Look at
in
this.
his bottle.
Wait, you know this is LOL size ice.
I know.
Cute. Now,
And this Here's a plate, slice of pizza.
Wow, this warm water shrunk the ice.
Hi everybody, I'm BeachBoi.
Aww. Can we introduce you, BeachBoi, to your friends?
Yes, and by the way, my name is BroCheer.
Oh, I keep on getting mixed up.
I
Da
know.
da da da! Basket, a bucket.
We're gonna pick only 2 random.
Hi, I'm an angel, L.O.L.
By the way, your name is Sugar.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and I'm Daring.
Wait, do you want to see me color
Goes
change?
Well, you guys have never met Daring before. Actually, I'm changing his name to Golden Boy. But because, so you see here, you might not even know him from the L.O.L series. But he all started with pink hair, and I painted it to be gold.
And you took an L.O.L's clothes.
What? So I can't change clothes. But I really
You know,
want
do you want to see this L.O.L chain?
Nope.
Well, please.
Nope.
Please.
Come on, Angelynn. Fine.
Wait, what?
Does she color change in warm water?
Wait, no. She really need really cold water.
Are you sure she can get lighter?
Yeah, she got a little bit lighter. Does that?
No, that she just looks like that. She never gotten lighter. She always looked like that. She never even color changed.
Yes, she did. Remember? We need ice.
Yeah, but it takes a long time. Yeah, but it's okay. You know what I like about BroCheer? It's his hair. Very nice. I wish this hairstyle was in real life, on real people. It's like a flow.
Yeah, like a flow.
Yeah.
Like,
And I always wanted BeachBoi for a long time.
yeah, I know.
Of course you know. You even hear me talk about him.
Okay, BroCheer.
Yeah?
We're gonna introduce you to some of our friends.
I can't wait to get friends. I wonder what they look like.
Here is Duchess. Hello.
Hi.
And over here is Rocker.
Hi, Rocker.
Wait, what?
Hi, Rocker. I'm the new L.O.L.
Oh, hi. She likes music. That's why we call her that.
Don't forget about me. I'm Golden Boy.
Yep. And as you know, the prince of the L.O.Ls.
Oh, I call him that. You know?
So much water.
Okay, next. Hurry up, show us next.
This is Spice.
I'm Spice.
Yeah, as you know, as the devil.
And we always know you're the angel. We know.
And here is a Unipony.
My best friend.
As you all know that you've seen us open Unipony. I can't believe that I'm gonna get one day the unicorn L.O.L girl.
Don't forget to introduce Lil Swaggie.
And this is Lil Swaggie.
And that's all your friends. That's so cool. I can't wait to play with them.
I know. We're
And
gonna have so much of it.
And guess what? You can stay with us. We don't. We're running low on houses.
Yeah. So, yeah. We have a place for you.
This is amazing. Did you hear that, everybody? I'm getting friends.
Uh-huh. You might want to take a drink.
Sure.
Me too. All that introducing is making me thirsty. And by the way, her bottle has glitter on it. And also glitter on her too. So, I can't wait to have all the adventures with you. Can't wait. No, really.
Okay. See you later.
Yeah, bye.
Well, everybody, it looks like BroCheer needs to take his rest. After all this unpackaging has made him tired, and as well for us, we're gonna need to go.
It's time to go too.
Yeah, we have to leave.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody.
Yeah, and it's also really nice to see you again.
Next video. Thank you for watching. And give us a big thumbs up and hit the bell button and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna go this way.